quite some time back now. I was there from 1999, 1998. I was appointed by after 2001. But ever since I've been having a very active contact and knowing what is happening here, because immediately after that I became the member of Biosciences of the Pakistan Government Education, and then member of Planning Commission for Food and Agriculture. And then so in all these capacities I was able to foresee activities at PRC and was able to help in the developments here at PRC. For example, while I was member, we conceived the idea of establishing NARC, and I'm so happy to see Dr. Shana, who's been here, who was member of Animal Sciences at that time, and she was the focal person at PRC to look at the PC1 form and all that. And the idea even there then was that I'm so happy to see Dr. Tasa there, who is the chairman of HSC, and he would recall that HSC was the main body to develop the human resource of the country. And we were thinking that we have been sending our young people to all over the world for getting higher degrees, and when they come back, they should have some institution of the same level to work. So that was the idea behind establishing NARC, and then I'm so happy that this has been established, and it has state-of-the-art facilities and state-of-the-art expertise, and they have been able to do wonders. But unfortunately, all the things that we do are not taken up or do not have the ownership of some government departments, some regulators, and over-regulation of any technology kills that technology. So we are passing through that phase, that we are trying to overkill our own technologies by non-scientific over-regulation of all that. So we should look into it and try to rectify things.